So yeah, that's how the front tire looks. Yeah, pretty bad. And the rear tires. The rear are a little bit better, but almost nothing there left. And hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So in today's video we're actually gonna be doing some preparation for my future upgrade that I hope is gonna happen sometimes during the next couple of weeks at most. And what I wanna do, I wanna prepare for my tire upgrade. As you can see, or maybe not, my tires are getting pretty bald over here and the treads are almost coming off. I feel like if I keep them any longer, the hair is gonna come out. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna do the so-called melt mode. It's actually a very common mode among Xterras and even Toyotas, where you wanna put a bigger tire, but there is an issue with the tire hitting the fenders or inner well. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to take care of that before I get the tires. So once I get the tires, I can just go ahead, go to the shop, make them mount my tires and be done with that. To do that mode is very simple. It takes maybe about 5 minutes or so, and for that we just need a heavy duty heat gun. This is a cheap heat gun I got years ago in the Harbor Freight, and actually I haven't used it in about a year, so hopefully it still works. We also might gonna need a piece of wood just to give us extra push on the melted plastic, and we might need a hammer to push it as well. Just whenever you're gonna be doing that, just be careful, wear some gloves, because you're gonna be dealing with hot material. You don't want to burn yourself. Now we don't even need to take down the tire. All we have to do is just turn the steering wheel all the way, and that way we have access over here. So let's do that. And I don't know if you can see if the camera picks it up, but the tires are pretty getting bad. The tires are getting bad, and if you can notice, they don't have a even wear, but that's how I got them, because they were donated to me like a few months ago, so that's how I got them. Hopefully it's not that it's an issue with my truck. It just but once I get the new tires, I'm gonna take it for balancing and everything. So yeah, the tires are pretty bad. But anyways, back to the melt mode. So this is what we need to take care of. We need to bend all of this in, so once we get a bigger tire, once I turn, it's gonna clear it. So we have to kind of melt all of this in. Now we're gonna get our heat gun and let's start heating this up. Have to move it evenly throughout the whole thing to warm it up evenly, and then we're gonna start pushing it with probably with the wooden block first. It's already getting pretty soft, so let's turn it off and let's just hold it in place for it to cool off, and hopefully that might be even it. Hopefully that's all we needed to take care of. I seen on some videos that guys were unscrewing this and hammering this side as well, but we're not gonna do that yet. We can always do it later if we have to. Maybe gonna melt a little bit this too. And now let's just wait a little bit for it to cool off. We just have to keep it in place like that for now. And okay, this should be cooled off now. Now we're gonna take the brick out. And yeah, this is much better. Hopefully now, once I get the bigger tire, it's not gonna rub over here. But if it does, we can always just melt it in more. So that's how it looks right now. So now I'm just gonna do the same procedure on the other side, and hopefully this is gonna be all ready for my new tires whenever I get them, which hopefully is gonna happen with the next few weeks tops, or maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks, I don't know. I really need to get new tires soon. And alright, and this side is done as well. I believe this should be more than enough. Like I said before, if it's gonna rub a little bit, we can always just melt it more. So hopefully all of this is fine for now. Now I'm just gonna get new tires. Once I get new tires, I'll put it on, and yeah, we'll see what's gonna be the next step. Cannot wait to get the new tires. As I showed you before, these tires are getting pretty bad, so that's something I need to get. Look, the uneven wear on them, that's pretty bad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this might be helpful for anybody who is planning to get the bigger tires, and I keep you guys updated once I put new tires and was that enough, or we need to do a little more modification. So I guess on this note, until next time, everybody, bye.